Hi guys, this is Rajat Vikram Pradhan and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today's chapter is articles. So what are articles? Articles are determiners, or we can say these are words which point out the nouns in a sentence. See, the articles are always placed before nouns and they point out the nouns. So articles are of two types: the indefinite article, which is a and an, and then there is the definite article, the. So first we are going to read about the indefinite articles. So a and an are the indefinite articles in English. See, means these two are considered as indefinite articles. Now where can we use an indefinite article? To use an indefinite article, the noun should be a common noun, it should be a singular noun, and it should be a countable noun. So what is a common noun again? Common noun is something which is a name for a certain type of object. Like for example, pen. See, there are so many types of pens or pencils, or we can say man, or we can say a phone. These are all common nouns. And singular, it should be always one. For those things only we can use indefinite article. And third, it should be countable. Countable means it can be counted. Now if a noun that satisfies all these three criteria, it is common, it is singular, and it is countable, only in those cases we can use indefinite article. Like for example, see this word boy. Boy is a common noun, means is a type of an organism. A boy is singular, means there is only one boy we are talking about, and a boy is countable, means you can count. So for this noun, which is a common, singular, and countable, we can use indefinite article. Like here I am using a. Again, girl is common noun, girl is singular, girl is countable, so I can use a indefinite article. Same thing for fan, same thing for anchor, same thing for island. Now we know where we can use indefinite article. Now we are going to learn where we are going to use a and where we are going to use an. So simply put, I think you know this already. A is used for nouns that begin with a consonant sound. Consonant sound means out of the 26 letters of the English alphabet, apart from A, E, I, O and U, all the other letters are called as consonants. But we are not talking about consonants here, we are talking about consonant sounds. Means a word that begins with something that sounds like a consonant. So all the nouns that begin with a consonant sound, we use a, and all the nouns that begin with a vowel sound, we use an. Right. So some words are there even though their first letter is a vowel. Like for example, university, U is a vowel, but there is a consonant sound. That is why we use A with university. And same thing, see, E is a vowel, but still it begins with a consonant sound, so we use A European. So what I'm trying to say is, if there is a consonant sound, even though the first letter is a vowel, we use article A. Now see, again the opposite. There are some words in which the first letter is a consonant, like see, honest, honour, how. Even though the first letter is a consonant, but h, and h, they three are silent here, so we pronounce it as honest, honor, and our. So o is a vowel, o is a vowel, and o is a vowel. So for these three cases we use an honest person, an honorable job, an hour, like that. See the fifth one. There are words that begin with consonants but they are pronounced with a vowel sound, like these abbreviations like MA, LPG, MLA. See, if you pronounce MA out loud, it sounds kind of like AM, it sounds. So A is a vowel, that is why this we use an. Again, when you pronounce LPG, it sounds like you are saying ALPG. You are saying like LPG. So A is a vowel, hence we can say it is the article an is used. Again, MLA, it sounds like A, which is a vowel, hence we use a an in this case. Now we are going to learn about the definite article. So what is a definite article? The is a definite article. So where do we use the? We use the when we are referring to a specific noun. Specific noun means a particular noun. See, we use the with nouns that have been used earlier. Means something that has been mentioned earlier, we use the in that case. See, read this sentence. My sister is making a film. This is the first sentence. The second sentence is the film is on Nepalese folk art. See, in the first sentence, film word is already spoken. So in the second sentence, when the person is speaking the word film, the listener already knows which film that person is speaking about. I'll make it easier, simpler for you. मतलब पहले सेंटेंस में वो सिस्टर मतलब तुम्हारी सिस्टर मेंशन करती है एक फिल्म को. दूसरी सेंटेंस में जब वो मेंशन करती है फिल्म, हमें ऑलरेडी पता है कौन से फिल्म के बारे में वो बात कर रही है. सो इन दिस केस वी यूज द. ठीक है. सो इफ समथिंग इज मेंशन्ड अर्लियर वी यूज the in the second case. Now ordinals. Ordinals means first, second, third, next, further. In these cases we always use the. Like Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the second president of India. See, the word second is a ordinal. ठीक है. Again, a common noun representing a class. So I had already told you common noun a little while ago. Common noun is a word that speaks about a certain type of organism or an object. So tiger means it is a type of animal. So when I am talking about tiger as a whole species, I am going to say the tiger is the national animal of India. मीन्स यहाँ पे मैं बोल रहा हूँ द होल टाइगर स्पीसीज को आई एम डिनोटिंग. दैट इज़ वाई आई विल यूज़ द. सो यूनिक नाउन्स जैसे कि नाउन्स विच आर ऑफ देयर ओन काइंड लाइक स्काई, सन, अर्थ, मून. सी, ओनली वन स्काई एग्जिस्ट्स एंड ओनली वन सन एग्जिस्ट्स और वन मून और वन अर्थ एग्जिस्ट्स. फॉर इन दीज केसेस वी यूज़ द. Then next is collocations. Collocations means, see, several words when they are put together and they are always written or spoken like that, we call them collocations. So speak the truth. See, speak and truth हमेशा हम साथ में रखते हैं. In the middle we always use the. Again, on the one hand, this is another collocation. So in this case also we use the. Achha, the last part is the names of groups of countries. See, the European Union, it is a group of country together in Europe. The United Kingdom, it is a group of country comprising of England and Scotland and Ireland. Then nationalities like English are the people of England, the French are the people of France, the Christians are a religious community, the Sikhs are a religious community. For mountain ranges, famous buildings, holy books and epics, families, titles, awards and honors, for all these cases also we use the. So well, this is it for today. I hope you understood the usage of a and the omission of the article we are going to do in the next video. I hope you understood this all. Please go through the book again once, and if you have any doubts, kindly ask. Well, thank you for listening. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.